Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix PC booting up but no display. So first you need to wake up or restart graphic drivers. To do that you need to press Ctrl plus Alt plus delete to wake up the screen. And you can restart your graphic drivers by press Windows key plus Ctrl key Shift plus B. This will unfreeze or reset the display output. If it is not fixed, you have to check the cable connection, like you can check the VGA cable and you check with your monitor. You can replace your VGA cable with other one. You can replace the monitor if it is hardware level issue. So other than that, you can disconnect all the external drives you are connected with your computer, like USB drives and printers kind of things. Then after restart your computer, if check the problem will be fixed or not. And you can reset the BIOS on your computer. If you change the setting on the BIOS, first you need to enter the BIOS by press F2 or F10 or delete key. It depends on your computer. You can check that in the internet which key need to press to go to the BIOS on your computer. Once you are in the BIOS setup, there is an option called load setup default. Just tap on it. It will be reset all the setting you are done on the BIOS setting, and you can save the changes and restart your computer. And if you have separate graphic card, you need to change your graphic card into the integrated graphic card on the motherboard. So you can remove the secondary graphic card from your computer and check the PC is working with internal graphic card. So if it working on that one, that means your separate graphic card has issue, so you have to fix that issue. So other than that, you can reset hardware components. You can remove the RAM drives from your motherboard. You can clean that and plug it again, and you can check your internal connection are perfectly fixed, fit or not. And you can clean your CPU and you can clean your fans kind of things. Then after, try to restart your computer. Other than that, you can update or reinstall graphic drivers. To do that, first you need to log into the safe mode. There are several videos shows how to go into the safe mode. You just need to restart your computer several times by pressing your power button. Then after, you are in the advanced option menu. You check the troubleshoot option. Then after, go to advanced option and startup setting and go to safe mode. Once you are in the safe mode, imagine you are in the safe mode right now. Right click on the start menu, go to device manager, choose the display adapters option, right click on your graphic driver, tap on uninstall device and tick this one, tap on uninstall. So then after, restart your computer and check your problem is fixed or not. So these are the methods you can try to fix the booting up but no display issue. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.